Wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to use the Yale touchscreen locks for the house. So I've put in a fake code for now, so I can show you how to use this. So when you walk up, it'll look all black. Just come up here, activate the screen, put in the code I sent you, and then hit the checkbox. And now it's unlocked. Then to go ahead and lock it, shut the door, and then just press the Yale. And now it's locked. Always double check the door to make sure it actually shut all the way. Every now and then when you go to press the button to lock it, you've actually pushed the door open just enough for the lock to not engage. And so you should always double check the door. All right, hope that helps. Thanks.